Alkaline NPT album debut number 10 from Billboard, reggae Billboard. Right? Him a really the champion boy if you true. Because from 2026, every song, every album we drop, none of them no reach Billboard yet.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People who are going, you don't know one Media Fox on the app. People, you got to watch this video. This gonna be interesting. The Vendetta fans them. Don't worry on yourself, man. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I say everybody a link me, everybody a send me a message and say, yo, Media Fox, Ray, the apps them, the this, the data, I rush them, this, the thing, Ray. Calm down, man. You know Media Fox got to work. You see when that video done, when you done watch a video, you're not gonna feel proud. Proud, you're not gonna feel proud. See? Alright. One thing I have to say, I have to big up the whole team, the whole Vendetta team, Kerry, everybody, Alkaline, the whole team. Big them up. See? The most important, the Vendetta fans them. Big up on yourself. On done well. We hit the chart number 10 on the Billboard. It's a great look. People, tune into that video. Don't miss it. You understand? So look, you know, we are going to a video now. Problem start.
When you don't see certain things, you just don't see it. Alkaline do a song when he champion boy. Say him a the champion boy. Alkaline saying him have the key for the city. Alkaline say everything are gonna make sense soon. And him say him have the formula. Think about it. Right now, Alkaline NPT album debut number 10 from Billboard, reggae Billboard. Right? Him a really the champion boy if it's true. Because from 2026, every song, every album we drop, none of them no reach Billboard yet.
So people, yeah man, forward man, everybody man, the whole of the apps, the crooks, the unruly, the guards are forward man. People, so this are the 2025 album list. So I'm going to name out the reggae thing now. So the reggae album they dropped last year, right? Lila Ike, Church of Self-Love, never hit the Billboard. Me not sure the numbers. Jesse Royal, No Place Like Home, never hit the Billboard. Me don't know the numbers. Mr. Vegas, Ghetto Reggae, never hit the Billboard. Don't know the numbers. Ken Namdi, we win the Grammy last year. No, win the Grammy this year. What name? Blood and Fire. Never hit the Billboard. Alright, we're going to a dancehall segment now. So that are 4 out of the reggae, you know, we released last year we never hit the Billboard. See? So in a dancehall now, we have Popcorn, Nothing Without God. Missy said the unruly them have to try find an excuse. You see what them I do now? You see, because the album not hit Billboard, them kinda erase it, you know, people. Them a say, oh, yo, I want to know, we did independent for the last past album there where them a do with Drake and Drake Energy and every little thing. This are one of the album where them I put it out. Them a say, yo, this is not really album. No, you have to go count it. Because if it hit on the Billboard, you won't done and run with it. So look here now, Popcorn, Nothing Without God. It's a less than 500 copies. It never hit the Billboard. That are 5 albums we gone whenever hit the Billboard, you know. Massacre. See, we not getting numbers for it. Him signed to Def Jam. Def Jam released the EP. See? That never hit the Billboard. We not see numbers for it. The album name, Her Name Is Love. You understand? We don't know where that gone. We not hear nothing about it. We not hear no hit song, nothing. Remember, you know, we not hear no major hit song after these albums, you know. But we know say NTP have songs on it. Good Girl and Wet Hole and when them graduate, we see the effect of the album. You so much album drop and nobody talk about it. Alright, the next one. Vybz Kartel, Party With Me. That nominated for Grammy. Right? We don't know the numbers for it. It never hit the Billboard. Vybz Kartel, Heart and Soul, nominated for the Grammy. Right? We don't get no numbers for it. It never hit the Billboard. So much album that people? That our 8 album. 8 album, people. Alkaline drop a number 10. Right? I'm going to tell you, say, the Vendetta fans them did well. But because, you see, because anticipation they run Alkaline album, yeah, everybody I go talk about the numbers and this and that. So all of the people them who say, Ray, see the album them we drop where uno maybe no know. And it never hit the Billboard. So Alkaline hitting number 10 with the Billboard. It beat all of them, yeah. It beat all of these albums. You understand? So look at now, people. You seeing? Wait there. Look. So it really get interesting. So look here now, people. The Billboard thing even get more technical. It even get more worse. Because what happened to me, it seems like the bag of buying views, right? Billboard don't want to calculate the numbers fairly because the bag of bots and a lot of rappers over there lose a lot of streams because YouTube take down them platform off a Billboard. So I'm gonna read this now. So what happened? YouTube pulled all its streams data from the Billboard chart from January, you know, people. From January, right? So all album that going to be released. Remember, you know, YouTube is one of the most it's the most streamed platform for we, especially in Jamaica, because we don't really buy music like go up on Apple Music and iTunes and these things. But we always watch YouTube and I run up the stream, millions of views and every little thing. So all those calculations are where they done made up the album in the past. But now the thing even get worse. So imagine chop off the main thing where we done make we look good on the Billboard gone now. But Alkaline go number 10, right? Without YouTube. See, this is the first test run for the new Billboard Act, where YouTube draw them streams from Billboard. I'm gonna tell you why. So look at now. YouTube pull all its streaming data from Billboard chart. So views on YouTube don't contribute to the chart ranking anymore. Listen this, you know, people. Listen this. If them album they were drop must be 8 album. Them they didn't have the YouTube views and the stream added to them, you know. Because the date when YouTube drop it off after the Billboard chart was January. I think January the 26th or around them time there. So no more YouTube streams, which is basically dancehall and reggae mostly. Most of the stream come from this. So because Jamaicans we don't really buy music for top up like that when it comes to the other platforms, right? So say this is the reason why YouTube move the streaming from Billboard. So look at now, big disagreement over how Billboard counts streams. Billboard give more weight to paid streams, Spotify, Premium, Apple Music, etc. like iTunes and every little thing, right? YouTube want all streams to be treated fairly, free or pay. But it seemed to me, this is my opinion, it seemed to me that Billboard realized, say, all these bots that buying, they must say, yo, can't treat this and go on. So something right. There must be a reason why they're doing that. Right? So look at now. Especially maybe I not even know if Billboard even make money off it, because most of us watch YouTube free. And it's a limited premium where people don't pay. You understand? Yeah. But look here now, people. YouTube said Billboard system is outdated and undervalue its audience. See? Listen up, people. Because this is not a joke thing. That's why I have to say, big up the Vendetta people. Them Uno did great last year. See there? I think a 8 album drop. See? So enough of the time when I might see certain things, you know, it even gonna get more harder now if you hit the Billboard, you know, people. It'll go harder now. That's why I tell you, so the Vendetta people them support Alkaline for re-eat the Billboard. I'm gonna tell you why too. I'm gonna show an image as well. But look at now. So what it means. Song that really heavily on YouTube views like viral videos won't chart as high anymore. So you see all them numbers there and everything that gone. If your fans not going out there and buying music, Apple Music and all these things, you don't get knocked. So it's a platform like Spotify and Apple Music matter more now. So you have to go up on them platform they go buy. And at this, so the sticky part I go now, you know, people. At this, so at this, you have to really have a fan base where you can have a fan base, you know, but you have to have a fan base where willingly if you go to them way to put them card on these things. And remember, you know, a lot of things when it comes to Jamaica, you know, a lot of these things need like overseas addresses to buy these things. You understand? And we know Jamaican kind of skeptic with them, you know, because of the, you see me, illegal stuff, and them kind of skeptic. Say, yo, about the music thing and the card, enough of them not understand it. So that's why them not to support like that. See? So look at now. Artists are already changing their strategies, dropping songs and streaming first. So look at now, because I hear a lot of people say, yo, the YouTube thing, why them drop it this and rare. But people, it have to be there, right? Because YouTube is easier access to people. So look here now, people are go up on YouTube. That's why the song, when people can go pull up the song and hear the song become hit. A lot of people don't know about others platforms them. You understand? Them depend on YouTube every day. Them not depend on Spotify, Apple Music every day. And YouTube, them a watch video and everything and see the controversy and everything. So that's boosts them if you go tune in, if you go listen to the album. But YouTube take with them stream off of the Billboard thing. But what the YouTube kind of do is make people aware more faster. Say, alright, the album drop. Alright, them say, be a thumbnail. Yo, Alkaline drop album. This, that. Yo, good gal a sell off. Good gal a hit song. This a hit song. All of these things. Right? So it good pan that. But when it comes to streaming, if you go up on Billboard, nah. You understand? So, the streaming first. So, all me hear them are talking in media, you know. Me just a laugh because when I see number 10, I say, thank God. Because I have been tracking the albums from 2025 and none of them, most of them, like 99% of them, do not hit the Billboard. Although YouTube streams was added to Billboard at that time. But there is no more from January we're gone. See? So quickly summary, before YouTube views help songs chart, now 2026, YouTube is completely out of the Billboard calculation. People want to listen, you know. So when me hear everybody talk about, yo, album flap, this, that, remember, if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. You understand? We still did good. We still did good. Although we never released the album in time because we get like what from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe like 4 or 3 days. We get from the usual time if we did drop it like from the Friday. But we still did well and we hit the Billboard without the YouTube streams. You understand? So we is the first test run for the new Billboard streaming platform because YouTube subtract themselves from it. See? So now in 2026, yeah, that and such. See? So look at now. Me want to see the next thing, people. You see me? This is the thing now, people. Me have to big up the Vendetta people. Them. You understand? Uno did well. Uno did well. I just show you 2025 album releases. Remember, you have a reggae artist a release album. We don't know them numbers, right? And seeing, we know them not do the Billboard. Then if Alkaline hit, if 8 album releases and none of them hit the Billboard and one hit number 10, we're supposed to be celebrating, right? We're supposed to be celebrating. Seeing? And first of all, when you check it, we sell more. You understand? We sell more. So, it's a good look for the Vendetta boss and good look for the Vendetta fans. So, go out of them way for do this without YouTube streams. Do you understand? Because me just showing the album them we drop. And a lot of them, when me realize them don't want to own the project them when them don't go up on Billboard. And that me realize, you have to own them up now, you know. Because if you drop a number 1, 2, 3, you know that own it up. But you not really do nothing. See it? We are own up for one. We did great. So you can go and talk, you know, the haters can talk. You understand? But remember, say YouTube is not there anymore. So, you better put in the work for Funo album. You understand? Because the game change now. You understand? The game change. Because if they have YouTube streams from Funo album and still not hit the Billboard, in a trouble.
Alkaline forward now and dominate the place. And Alkaline drop an album almost every 5 years. Alkaline only act, ongo artist, ongo performer in a Barclay and shell down the whole place and make history in a dancehall. Everything really makes sense now.
Everything really makes sense. Because I see a lot of album dropping at the space. Me no hear them talk about it. Alkaline album they all over the world. Right now all the UK people they must say, yo, when them listen to album, them need back Alkaline over there. Yeah man, them say them need back Alkaline over in the UK. The girl them love a good song, a hit song that good girl. You understand? And the gangster them love it, graduate. Yeah man, the album tough. All of them attack them a bring down this and that. But we see what the song them a do. You understand? You can't stop greatness, you can't stop music. So, I have to big up the Vendetta people them. You understand? I have to big up the other person people them who support them artists and buy them music. Because at that we have to go start do now. You see what YouTube, you see where YouTube do right now? It will force the culture to start buying music. Because if we want our artists look good, we have to go out the competition to buy our artists music hit the Billboard. So, you can't go and talk. Them say who laugh last laugh best, you know. You understand? Me just a watch and soon and make a bag of talk, you know. You understand? But when phone time come, haha boy. The only thing can maybe save on, you know. If you get a label distribution deal or a label deal right now, that's the only thing can save on right now. Because the label know how to deal with it. You understand? But it's so funny that Def Jam, when Massacre signed to drop the EP last year and it never hit no Billboard. It not do nothing. That's why I wonder why I'm signed then. It don't make any sense. You understand? But here what I say.
Alkaline take an approach where many artists need to study right now. Where everybody a wonder, oh a man we so antisocial. We not do interview, we not post on social media. How is it that him have the street in a chokehold right now for him drop him album?
Me I go tell you why J Progress. You see as an artist, seem like how an artist will paint and you go in a museum, right? And you just have to see the painting and you don't know the artist. That's how we should have move. That's how we should move. See like how Alkaline move? Him just people know him for music. Them don't know him for private life or what him doing in him life. That is what he make people know him for. Music. That's what him give them. Him not give them no private life. Him not give them no this and no controversy. You understand? That's what him give them. Music. Strictly music. And when him say him fall off this a song and him still give the people. That's how people. That's why you notice when Alkaline drop music, everybody talk about it. Them not talk about Alkaline girlfriend, Alkaline mother, Alkaline sister, Alkaline family, Alkaline ex. Them not talk about that because Alkaline erase that out of them brain and only feed them with music. That's why when you see a go on now, it a go on. You know what you say? This is one of the biggest album. Like yo, the album here, like it impact the world, diaspora and some other places. People are talk about it. You understand? Right now, it generate back up the album talk in a dancehall right now. So, looking forward for the next artist and we're going to drop them album. But know them fans are going to come out and try do them best for no feel, you know. You understand? But them for remember what them say. Make sure so them prove them point. You understand?
Alkaline really and truly of the formula. Boy, oh boy. When you just never see certain things, you just can't see it and you can't understand it. Look, the artists with them beat, the artists will get the most fight done. All when I tell me that beat Alkaline too. But all the time.
Yeah man, you usually do it man. But you see you are the greatness, you have to come talk about it. You understand? You have to come talk about it because everything will make sense soon now, you know. Yeah man, everything will make sense soon. Yeah, see what I go on. Yeah, see what I go on. You see it? So you have to come forward, come talk. You see me? Because the rest of the thing, them are just controversy and some little drama thing I go on. And music move the culture. You understand?
In my beating, I always make people know say, no matter how you hear me beat an artist, I tell them point blank, say Alkaline is a bad artist and you can't take it from him. And him have him fan base. Where are we now? Where are we now? I know Alkaline around the road. Okay.
Yeah man people, so look at now people. I'm going to show you the charts, you know. See? I'm going to show you the charts. So look at now. Top reggae album. So this is for the first week. So we have Bob Marley #1, Shaggy, right? Them are a great album, you know, people. Them are a normal album, you know. Engine a pump, everything, you know, people. So if you see Alkaline in the list at the top 10 with them album, yeah, the Vendetta fans them did great, especially without YouTube streams. Especially getting a short space of time I calculate and like remember say a 4 days we get, I think a 4 or 3 days, 4 days we get. Because a Thursday would have been the lock off. But we'd even start from the weekend before. But we didn't, but we still hit the top 10. You understand? The 1, 2, 3, Shaggy, Sean Paul and Bob Marley, they are number 3. Then we have Stick Figure. Big album that. Then we have Sean Paul again, Dirty Rock. You understand? And then we have Greatest Hits, Stick Figure again. People don't know man. Yo, for inner that lineup and then we have Bob Marley and the Wailers, Exodus. For inner this lineup here. You really have to do good. Yeah, tell you really have to do good. Especially without the YouTube streams. The Vendetta people them did well. Them did well because if 8 album drop for the past years and none hit the Billboard, none don't reach the numbers of Alkaline do, it's a great thing. You understand? And the youth album are going good. The youth are get it song out of it. None of them album are not it song out of it. None. So, congratulations to the Vendetta people them. Big up on yourself. And big up, because we want dancehall reach out there. Big up all of the fan base them we are buy, what we are talking about, we go to them way if we buy them artist music so the culture can grow. You understand? But this is a great look. Number 10 on the Billboard chart with them great artists here in the mix. And not normal that people. May I tell you. NTP number 10. You see me? So big up the fan base. Big up everybody who support the album, who go there and buy the album and stream it. Big up on yourself. It's a great project. All of them want to say a great project at the end of the day. And for sure, this is so long time I ever see so much people talk about one album. Me so much album release. Them even beat album we get all Grammy because them say nobody know album. So for everybody know this one is a great look. Big up on yourself. You don't know one media facts on the app. That is it.